Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it's an extreme, but it's literally the reason why we have insurance, right? And it's almost a conundrum because some of these perils are not covered by your normal insurance. So you've got to jump through different hoops to gain coverage for these specific perils. The title of the article: Does home insurance cover natural disasters? So the answer, put it bluntly, is yes and no, right? Some are covered, not all. And from a financial standpoint, you could, it's not rocket science to understand why, right? Because any one of these natural disasters could potentially put several carriers out of business, right? If they covered kind of, let's say, earthquake or hurricane and flooding just wholeheartedly, just like they cover fire, wind, things like that. You get one of these huge earthquakes, and it could not only hurt or send a carrier under, but then that same carrier would no longer be able to provide insurance for the other customers that have kind of some of your normal risks, like you call it, whether it be kind of slip and falls or theft, things that are not as extreme and catastrophic and high in terms of expenses, right? So this article does a good job. Some of the perils or the catastrophes that you have to look out for that are normally not included are flood and earthquake, and you'll hear that all the time, right? So like if you are in an earthquake or flood prone area, and not just, excuse me, sorry, not just a region that's considered a floodplain. If you are near a body of water, if you are near a valley, the article mentions something that's kind of tongue in cheek, but true. If it rains in your area, it can flood, which basically means it can flood anywhere. So it's very important that you consider that coverage wisely, right? That being said, and this is where the yes and no comes in, right? Because there is coverage for water damage, right? So let's say water flooded through or came through your window, right? And damaged some of your property, or water from, let's call it a AC unit, trickled down your through your roof or something, or through your chimney, whatever, and made damage. Those type of things. So water damage, some water damage is covered. So there are instances where there are residual impact from, let's say, a tornado, right? Now, some policies may cover tornadoes, right? Especially if you're not in Tornado Alley, right? If you're not in Oklahoma or something. But if they don't explicitly exclude it, if they do explicitly exclude it, there still may be coverage, because there's coverage for damage from wind, right? So like if a tree limb was ripped across the neighborhood and damaged their home, you may be covered for that, right? So there are gray areas, and we say this all the time, but it's only because it's true. If you have any questions, read the policy, right? Call the carrier, get their input. It'll be hard to get them on record to say if something's covered or not, but get their input. They're the ones that are underwriting it, and they've seen it time in and time out. That's if you have any questions about it. But once again, it's does homeowners insurance cover natural disasters? Yes and no, right? So some of the resulting damage from some disasters is covered, right? But then like that, most of the time they will name natural disasters that are not covered, right? Such as earthquake and flood. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll chat next week.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.